Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this mobile. I am going to model this mobile in Maya. I am going to model it and texture it. This is not the proper way to do it, but I will do it in a quick way so that I can model it and texture it in Maya. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our mobile model in Maya. Here is our mobile phone model in Maya. This is not the proper way to model a phone, but it will do. Let it be. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.